Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add an Oyster card to Samsung Wallet. First, open the Samsung Wallet app and tap the plus button to add a new card. Normally, you'd see different payment and transit cards available in your region. But when you look through the transit options, you'll notice that the Oyster card isn't it there. And that's because TFL currently doesn't allow Oyster cards to be added to any digital wallet, including Samsung Wallet, Google Wallet, or Apple Wallet. There's no manual option to enter your Oyster card number. And you can't use your phone to tap in if you're using a physical Oyster card. So as of today, you cannot add an Oyster card to Samsung Wallet. You still need the physical card to travel. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.